everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 688 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm really excited to be trying out the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil in the shade Trophy Wife. I just keep thinking about this product and really wanting to try it out. So although this is one of my add-ons for my December 2019 Ipsy Glam bags, I wanted to try it out now. I couldn't wait any longer. I just love lip liners because of how long lasting they are, and I love Huda Beauty. It's a brand that I only recently started trying out, but I've been loving her products. So like I said, I did get this as an add-on, but you can buy this at Sephora right now for $19. So the fact that I was able to redeem my points on Ipsy for this product basically for free is so awesome. And I also saw that at Sephora this comes in a bunch of different shades, but I'm really excited to see what Trophy Wife looks like. And so this is the type of pencil that you sharpen. Let me go ahead and swatch. Oh, beautiful, like so pigmented. It just glides on very easily because I have tried those lip pencils that are so hard to write with that they just keep getting stuck. So I'm really glad that this one just glides on so easily and painlessly. The shade is beautiful. Like having it next to my lips, this kind of looks like the same type of tone of my natural lip color, but just like a little bit darker and more enhanced. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm also curious. Oh my gosh, did you see that? It's smudge proof too, which is awesome. So I am gonna line my lips with this to start, but then I'm gonna fill in my entire lips because I love to wear lip liners as lipstick because of this reason here, where they're so long lasting, not gonna smudge, so easy and precise to apply. So let's get into it. This also looks like it has a beautiful matte finish, but we'll really be able to tell that once I apply it to my lips. So easy to apply, so quick, so full pigment. This is awesome. Such a great formula, but I'm also noticing that the color is so versatile, like the tones to it. It kind of has almost like purple tones, but then it also has like the pink and the red tones. So it's a really great mix that I could see this color working great with such a range of lipsticks because you don't have to match your lipstick to your lip liner exactly. Like this lip liner would look great underneath of a red lipstick, of a pink lipstick, of more of like a berry tone lipstick. And I sometimes love the look of like a slightly different shade on the outline of the lips than the lipstick. Not like that 80s lip where it's very obvious line around the lipstick, but more like the lipstick is completely covering the line, but when there's a little bit of like an ombre effect from a different color underneath the lipstick, it kind of gives the illusion of more full pouty lips. So this is perfect for that. But now I'm really excited to see how this looks all over my lips. Since this is such a creamy formula that glides on, it makes it so easy to fill in my lips with this as well. And it looks so good. It looks like a full pigment matte liquid lipstick. It's such a beautiful, even, smooth color that feels comfortable on my lips, but I will say it does feel a little bit drying. So if you have very dry lips like I do, I would probably recommend putting a lip balm either on top or underneath of this because it is a lip pencil. It's not really going to have those nourishing ingredients that a lipstick might, but it still looks really nice on my lips and it's not clinging to any of the dry patches on my lips. It's a very beautiful, glamorous shade. I feel like the name Trophy Wife is perfect for this shade. I am not like in love with the color on me and my complexion. I probably would actually get more use out of this as a lip liner underneath other lipsticks rather than wear it alone, because like I said, I'm not obsessed with this color on me. I think I would rather put a different color on top of this. Probably like a different color lip gloss, since it is kind of drying for my lips as well. So I'm really curious if there's any transfer. Oh, no transfer. That's what I love. This also does come in so many different shades, so I would love this in a different shade to wear all over my lips, since it is so completely long lasting. So if you've tried this, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And if you've tried any other colors that you would recommend for me that you think would go well with my coloring, let me know about that in the comments down below. But I actually do really like this color with my dress today. But oh my gosh, as far as lip liners go, this is fantastic. Amazing formula, amazing application. I highly recommend this, especially if you can get it with your Ipsy points. Basically getting this for free. This is a full-size product. Definitely do so. I'm gonna keep an eye on the Ipsy app to see if they have this in any other colors that I can pick up with my points, because I feel like this was such a great snag. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.